Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to do the weekly analysis for the stocks. Let's get started with the trading view. So we would just go and check one by one, that is the weekly performance. So I'm just going to select Nifty here and going to select the 1 week. So this is 1 week basically. So we would start with Reliance. So this was Reliance 1 week performance. So this was almost 4% down for Reliance. Okay. And then we have HDFC Bank, which is 2.1% down, and then we have ICICI Bank, which is 0.25% positive. Okay, now we'll do a detailed version for everything. Let's just try to simply understand what happened from February start. Okay, so this is till date. And then we will just bring the Jan month as well so that we will get an idea. Okay, so this is what has happened. Okay, so you see here is 2025 and this was the open, and then this is Feb, this was the open for Feb and January close. Okay, and this is now the current market. Okay, now what happened in the January month? As usual, call writing has been added, and then market just did a huge fall. So here it was just a sideways move, which is the result of the call writing profit booking of the previous month, and then you see this huge fall was mainly because of call writing addition and majorly due to the newses around the global newses as well. And then this the last week you could see this was the call writing profit booking. So when this call writing did the profit booking, market gave a little bit up movement from here to here, that is from 27th to Feb. Okay, now that actually had a profit booking, and then that profit booking actually continued till here, and here took the resistance, and here again the call writing has been added, and then you see the fall here, and now it's trying to stabilize. So this week almost over, so next week is going to be the last week of the month. So if this again does the profit booking, then whenever the resistance breaks, you can see an up move. So it can either do profit booking or market can be sideways. Okay, so this is the Reliance position. Now we'll take the HDFC position. So this is HDFC position. So let me explain 2025. So this was the open, and then February, here is the open, and then here is the Jan close, and here we are now. Okay, what happened till now? So for this profit booking was due to the previous month closure of call writing, and now here this fall was purely because of the new additions of call writing. Okay, it was building up, and then you see this stabilized movement is where the maximum straddle decay happens. Straddle and strangle decay has happened. Okay, and then once it did the breakout but couldn't sustain, so this actually was a small move of the profit booking. Okay, and then you see it ended sideways. I told you, right, either the profit booking will take you upside or it will just have a sideways close. So HDFC had a sideways close and a small profit booking at the end here. Okay, so this breakout was a failure, but the next breakout it had a gap up and then had a got chance to cut all the SL which was built up here. This was the SL hunting zone. Now here is the February close. So you see a little small profit booking. This was because mainly this one had the profit booking here. Okay, now this profit booking, this was huge, right? So this profit booking had the impact till here. So you see it continued to do the profit booking for the first week of February. Also part of the reason we have February news based budget news was there, so it was going up, and then it takes the resistance again at the same place as the January resistance, and then here it does the fall. So here also you see call writing has been building up, so again it is going to enter the sideways zone, and then it might do a profit booking. So this is the stats for HDFC Bank. So last week I am expecting a small up move like this one. Okay, so pardon my all these scribblings, but I think you should be able to understand what I am trying to say. While ICICI is kept sideways from 2025, I'll explain you how. So this is the open, and then this is the Feb month open, and then this was the close for January month, and here we are, that is now. Okay, now what happened here also from the start. So when you check the previous month, already the profit booking has been done for the call writing. So here it didn't do any time waste by doing the profit booking. So here it was the direct call writing build up. So up till here the call writing build up was acting, and then it just went sideways, and then once the resistance break, you see here it just went up. This zone was basically profit booking of this call writing. Okay, and then it just went sideways. Okay, so either it can do the profit booking and then go sideways, or it will go sideways and do the profit booking. So in the HDFC you see the other case, and this ICICI you see the different case. And then here this zone was the profit booking zone of the previous call writing, and then again it just went drifted down. But here the condition of call writing is just slightly bigger than the put writing. So ICICI has no move to go either downside or upside, but this zone is a pretty much bigger zone which is having SL downside as well as the upside. So whichever side market breaks, you're going to see the bigger change for ICICI. Now let's go and check the other details. Okay, so now I'm going to take the So hi guys, I'll just continue. So for the sake of ease, I'm just keeping two OYs. We'll only compare Monday and Friday. So here I'm going to take Reliance. So you see here is the Reliance, and then here also I'm going to take Reliance. So I'm deliberately keeping this side dark side so that you can understand that one is for Friday and one is for Monday. Okay, so this is going to be for Monday, that is for 10th. Okay, so we have 2 weeks part, right? Sorry, I just thought next week is going to be the last. So yeah, another 1 week I think that market can go sideways or can go downtrend. Now here we are going to take is 14. Okay, so 14 is Friday and 10th is Monday. Okay, now you see the chart. So we are not going to compare the up one, rather we will go and compare the total. So you see here. Okay, so this is the important. Okay, so when you see the week start, you see this is 60 and this is 35, but now it is 72 and this is 38. Okay, so here is plus 3, and then from 60 it went plus 12. Okay, so now you understand why call writing has been making the market to go down, because here extra is added while put writing has been kept stable. Okay, so that's why this week Reliance had almost 4% down or 3.9% down. Now we will go and do the same analysis for HDFC Bank, which was almost 2.92% down. So I'm going to select HDFC Bank here, and the same procedure I'm going to repeat here also. I'm going to select HDFC Bank. Okay, so yeah, video is going to go a little longer, but yeah, I think this analysis is very much needed. So you see here we are going to see only the total. So here you see it was 33 and 18, and here you see it's 34 and then 16. So this was plus 2, and then from 33 this was plus 1, because in the middle HDFC did the profit booking as well. So you see the profit booking of the call rating will take the market up, and then almost 2% market was down for HDFC. Okay, so not much of a change here, but remember they could have done call buying and put buying as well, which can drastically play with the price action, okay, while keeping the call writing very stable. Okay, this is also one of the activities of FII which is going unnoticed. Okay, now we'll go and check for ICICI. Okay, so this is ICICI Bank. Here also I'm going to select ICICI Bank. So remember it was positive 0.2% for ICICI Bank. Now let's find out the reason. Okay, so here is the total, and then you see here 24 and 14. Well, you see here 27, so almost plus 3 has been added. Here is 17, here also plus 3. So see, here also almost the increase was equal, so that's why it was 0.2% movement for this week. That was, it has been completely sideways. So I told you it has been sideways for 2 weeks, so whichever side it takes the momentum, ICICI will show a very nice movement. Okay, so also have a keen observation on the gap up or gap down, which actually saves the writer's price. Okay, now we are going to check the straddle part, which is going to be very interesting. So here also I am going to select straddle part. Okay, so first of all I am going to select is Reliance. So we'll go by line. This is Reliance, and here also I'm going to select Reliance. So here I'm going to take the expiry is same. So live I'm taking here 10th, and then here also live I'm taking 14th. Okay, now we will see the commonalities. Okay, so I am increasing the count to 10. So you see 70. So 70 is there, 80 is there, 90 is there. So I am taking off the odd number. So this was the common number. So 1 okay, sorry, I just got confused. So we are going to take the common number, right? So here is the common number. Okay, so I am going to unselect these strikes. So you see here you have got up to 60. So here also I am unselecting the common number. So pretty much see it started here. Okay, oh my god, this is not going, it's not showing the overall. Here we might see, yes, okay, so you see here overall everything is in its 30s, but when it started everything is in the range of 60 to 40. So the common straddle has definitely shown the decay. So that is the purpose here. Okay, despite market moving 4%, the straddle always gives you profit. That's why call writers always make steady inflow of money here. Okay, now we'll take HDFC Bank here and HDFC Bank here as well, and we'll try to catch common strikes. So here is the HDFC Bank. Now let's do the commonality. Okay, so 20 is available, and 720 up to 20. Okay, so I just unselect all the others. So unselect this, so you get almost 5. Okay, so too many commonalities is there, but I'm just selecting up till 22 1700. Okay, so we'll keep that range. Okay, so you take this side and you see where it started. Okay, this is the starting price, and then when you see here, oh my god, it's not showing. So either way you can see the range here is from 90 to 60, and here almost 60 to 20. So this is what the decay difference is. So you have to calculate individually, which you can do by yourself. I'm just trying to show you the price action. Okay, Now we have ICICI Bank and we'll try to find the commonality here. 20, 30, 40, 60 and the same range. Okay, so oh my god, this is also not showing, but the idea is, you see here 60, 40, almost 40, but here you see everything is boiling down to 30. Okay, so since it has been sideways, the decay was very small. So yeah, I have to individually show you the prices, which is like very tiring. So that's it guys, thank you. Already the video has been so long, so you can try these tricks with you as well for other stocks. Okay, in the next video we are going to check for Nifty as well as Bank Nifty. Okay, thank you, keep supporting my channel.